Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have received a question regarding uh, parenting. Uh, the question is that at times parents seem to be fulfilling their lost dreams through their own children. Would this be the right thing to do for them or not? I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think parents, out of love for their children, or the love for them to see their children succeed in the world and in the akhirah, would definitely use their experiences and their past life as a benchmark, and to have them succeed and to study and to work hard and to be happy as perhaps they were not in, or they did not feel that happy in their younger age. There's no harm in that. I think it's very much part of being a parent. But perhaps the question is not really that. Perhaps some people will go beyond that. They would force the child beyond normal fairness to the point of cruelty to make them do things that they have no interest in, that they don't like, that they might not have the capacity or the skill to do, and yet they impose upon children in a harsh way and have them pursue a career or a habit or a skill or a hobby which the child is not really fond of. Mm, they might want the kids to go to a certain profession and force them so much that instead of 2 years, the child takes 10 years to do it, and yet they force it again and again. That would be overdoing it. I think that in this case, like all cases, moderation would be the key. To have the child's skills, to have the aptitude of the child also evaluated, and to be fair in what the child should pursue or not pursue. Yes, one thing which I never recommend to do in moderation, it should be done beyond moderation, and that is to make dua for our children, for all children, and may Allah accept our duas.